It's your girl Nellie Marie back again with another video, and as you see in the title below, I'll be bringing to you guys another try on haul. This time is with Fashion Nova. So I bought some spring clothes and some winter clothes, kind of, because it's still cold in Buffalo, New York. It's around 44 degrees, kind of 50 degrees, whatever. It's this always cold in Buffalo, so you never know what you want to get. But I'm ready to bust out them summer clothes and them spring clothes. So I bought clothes for like both seasons, kind of, if that makes sense. But anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, Nellie_143. My package came in from Fashion Nova, and I bought a couple of items. I probably bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 7 things because I've got a dress. I bought a dress, but it's already packed away because I'm going to Canada this weekend, most likely Toronto. So I already packed that away. This is the receipt. I spent, I don't know. Fashion Nova always be having coupons and stuff, so I always be putting in like a coupon code. But I probably spent like $180 on this stuff. Probably like 150 maybe, I don't know, who knows. Okay, so the first item is a crop top and some jeans. I like the crop top. It was just a plain little no sleeve crop top, braless. It say Freedom. I really don't care for the words, but I just needed like a plain white half shirt. And I like the jeans, booty plump, long. Okay, now on to the second. It's a bodycon dress. It's purple. It's really actually long. It's super tight. I think I got a small, or fit like a small. I might have got a medium. I'll put all the description below of what I actually got and what the item is called, but it's cute. Okay, so the third item I got is the oversized glasses. These glasses was the glasses of the summer. The fourth item I got was a pants overall bodysuit. I loved this item. Like when I first tried it on, I actually didn't like it because it was small. For some reason, I'm tall, and it was like, it wasn't too short. It was just like tight. Like my thighs was too tight in it, you know, but I actually liked the outfit. So next we have a black dress, which I love this black dress. I went to Toronto in this, and it was like really, really, really cute. It was fire. I like the cutouts on the side. It is a lot going on, but like you wear it for a special occasion. It's a wrap, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, Nellie_143. My dog is going crazy, as you guys can see. And let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like me to do. Thank you. Until next time.